Everyday life can cause the HVAC systems in our homes to become clogged with dust and oil particles. Over time, this buildup reduces efficiency and increases the need for constant cleaning and maintenance. Mitsubishi Electric is proud to introduce our next-generation dual barrier coating. Every day, airborne particles make their way into the operational components of our home HVAC systems. Over time, hydrophilic dust and dirt particles collect on the fan blades, heat exchanger, and other areas throughout the HVAC unit. These surfaces are also prone to collect hydrophobic particles such as oil and grease mist from cooking and smoke. As time goes on, this unsightly buildup reduces the system's heating and cooling efficiency, while also requiring the need for increased cleaning and maintenance. Mitsubishi Electric's dual barrier coating provides an unsurpassed layer of protection by coating fan blowers, heat exchangers, and vanes, resulting in extraordinarily smooth surfaces. As a result, the advanced coating can help prevent the airborne hydrophilic and hydrophobic particles from collecting on components, preventing buildup even after a significant amount of time. Dual barrier coating helps to save energy by improving the operational efficiency, eliminating odors, and dramatically reduces the need for constant cleaning and maintenance. Mitsubishi Electric's dual barrier coating is another example of our commitment to give you the ultimate in personal indoor comfort. For more information on dual barrier coating and our next generation heat pump systems, please visit us online at MitsubishiComfort.com. Mitsubishi Electric. Make yourself comfortable.